Kofta is today's kitchen recipe. Kofta is a Middle Eastern dish made from ground lamb or beef mixed with onions, garlic, and spices. The meat mixture is shaped into balls, patties, or logs, and then grilled and served with pita, salads, dips, and sauces. Ingredients: ½ kg mince, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 potato, 1 egg, 1 slice of bread, salt and black pepper, Presley, 1 egg, oil, plain flour. Ingredients preparation: cut the onions into small pieces or grind it. After that, grind also the potato. It's optional to put the bread in mince. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients step by step. Add mince in a bowl, then egg. After that add garlic. Next is to add potato and onion. As mentioned before, it's optional the addition of bread. It's totally up to you guys if you really like the taste of it. And finally, add all the remaining ingredients. After mixing all the ingredients, simply start making small balls of kofta and dip in plain flour. You can use a plate and put the required amount of flour and dip all kofta in it. Now, it is time to start heating the oil in a cooking pot because we need to fry them. Like this, fry all the kofta balls, step by step, and that's it. Our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.